Good morning, my little and sweet kids. Welcome to our online classes. I hope you all are fine. Here is again your Shalja Mishra ma'am. Today I come to you teach computer, your favorite subject. So my dear learners, today we will learn how to start and shut down a computer. But before starting our topic, you must press the bell icon, like and share the video. You know, my kids, a machine works better and longer when it used carefully by us. Some machines that must be switched on before they can be used, like car, TV, camera, mobile phone. Like that also, computer is also a machine, as you all know, है ना? As we all know, computer also needs electricity to work properly. Here we will learn the way to switch on and switch off a computer, but step by step. What steps we will use are explained here by me. Now, how to switch on the computer? My dear learners, to switch on the computer, we will follow these steps. Very first, to switch on the main power supply. This is our main power supply. Do you understood? Okay. Now, switch on the UPS button. Okay. Then switch on press the power button of our UPS gently to switch it on. Generally, there is a small light on the CPU. When we will switch it on, that starts blinking. This indicates that the computer is on. Now, switch on the power supply button on the monitor. See, our monitor is on now. The Windows welcome screen appears, but wait for some time. Now a screen is on, and on the screen the many small pictures will appear. See, it is booting. Okay, this is our screen. It is called desktop. What is called? Desktop. Now you can see on your desktop screen with many small pictures will appear like that. These are the small pictures called icons. Understood? These are our icons. By clicking on these icons, we can open different files. If you want any movie, then you can open. If you want any game, then you can open it. Okay, by clicking on the icon only, we can open different files. Switching on the computer is called booting also. Okay, now it's clear, my children, that how to switch on the computer. I hope you learnt it because it was very interesting. Okay, now my dear kids, we will learn second step, that is how to switch off the computer. After finishing our all work from the computer, or after played the game on the computer, we should switch it off. That is very compulsory. Closing all the activities and turning the computer off is also called shutting down or turning off. Okay, here are the steps to switch off a computer are: very first, click the start button on your desktop, and then click on the turn off computer option in the start menu. See, shut down. And after that, click the turn off option in the window. Then switch off the monitor by pressing power button from here. Okay. After that, switch off the UPS button, and after that switch off the main power switch from where we started. Here, from where we started, it is our main power supply. Okay, now you can do it at your home with your computer also. Now I am very interesting activity for you. Are you excited for it? Okay, let's start. Are you excited for it? Okay, let's start. Your activity 1 is collect and paste the pictures of any 3 things that must be switched on before they can be used or started. Okay, here you will paste those 3 pictures. Those are be must used on before they can used. And your activity 2 is name any 2 machines that works by using electricity. Do you write the name here? Okay.